This is just a quick basic run through of using the end key on your keyboard. So it's a bit basic, but I'll explain the other variations of what seems to be kind of pivot dependent behavior. If I click on the end key, you can see that it's taking our mesh and aligning it to the next mesh underneath it, using the extended bound edge, not the pivot point. You can see there now that it's actually using the edge of the mesh. If I wanted that to be the pivot point, if I hold Alt and End, it will drop down. So we can align the pivot. Now, a few other behaviors that I noticed. So if I move this actor so that the pivot point isn't over the actor below and press End, then just pressing End makes it snap to the nearest, ignoring the kind of pivot point position. If I then press Shift and End, it drops down to the plane which is set below it. Now, if the pivot point actually overlaps, now when I press End, that works the same, but if I now press Shift and End, it doesn't move down. So it's the position of the pivot point which is kind of blocking that. If I press Alt and End, then it will move the pivot point down to the bounding edge of the next actor in this case. So just to bear in mind, the kind of Shift End doesn't kind of work how you might expect if you've got used to it working. It doesn't have another actor to align to. So if it's not working as you suspect you want it to be, obviously you can just drop it below the pivot point of that blocking actor, just drag it quickly, and then if you press Shift and End, it will then snap.
So hopefully that's of use. If these videos are giving you some value, then please do like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So thank you for your support.
Live long and prosper.